Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to file unemployment benefits in Dole. Start by gathering your ID, employment records, and termination notice, then decide whether to file online or at a local office. Next, confirm you meet eligibility rules and assemble all required documents. Prepare contact details and bank or payout preferences for payment setup. Finally, set aside time to complete the application carefully and save all confirmation numbers and receipts for follow-up. Start by opening the Dole online portal and signing in or creating an account with correct contact details. Carefully fill each field on the unemployment application, paying close attention to employment dates and reason for separation. Upload scanned ID and termination documents, then review everything before submitting to prevent rejections. Save the confirmation number and screenshot the submission page. Expect a confirmation message and instructions for any required follow-up or interviews. Arrive at the Dole office with all original documents and neatly organized photocopies to streamline your visit. Politely explain you are filing an unemployment benefits claim and hand your documents to the assigned officer for verification. Request a receipt or reference number and ask how long processing will take and any next steps. Keep a note of names and contact details for follow-up and plan a return visit if additional documents are requested.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.